9 ways you can clear your clogged arteries naturally. Your arteries are large blood vessels that carry blood from your heart to every part of your body. Unfortunately, plaque caused by fat, cholesterol and other substances can clog your arteries over time. If this happens, you may develop a condition called atherosclerosis, which means your arteries have hardened. 1. Cook with healthier oils. Since butter, lard and margarine are all high in unhealthy fats, you should choose healthier cooking oils when preparing food. Some alternatives: olive oil, canola oil, peanut oil, sesame oil. Palm and coconut oils can be used in limited quantities. These contain medium chain triglycerides, which may decrease triglyceride cholesterol levels and raise HDL, healthy cholesterol. 2. Choose whole grains. Processed grains cut out the fiber and other healthy components found in grains. Instead of foods made with white flour, white rice, white bread, semolina, pasta, etc., choose whole grain options. 3. Cut out sweets. Sweets are a major source of simply carbohydrates, which can have an impact of several factors related to atherosclerosis, such as high blood pressure and obesity. 4. Increase your fiber intake. High fiber foods help to control both cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Add lots of fruits, vegetables and legumes to your diet to increase fiber. Some of the best options include beans, apples, citrus fruits, oats and barley, nuts, cauliflower, green beans, potatoes, carrots. Try to eat 21 to 25 grams of fiber a day if you're a woman, and 30 to 38 grams each day if you're a man. 5. Decrease your sodium intake. Sodium found in salt has an impact on your blood pressure, and high blood pressure also puts you at a high risk for artery hardening and damage. Choose low sodium options at the store and restaurants and limit your intake to a maximum of 2,300 mg a day. 6. Stop smoking. The chemicals in cigarette and other tobacco smoke damage your blood cells, as well as disrupting the function of your heart and blood vessels. 7. Exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. Exercise has a cascading effect that helps with a variety of conditions that lead to clogged arteries. Regular exercise helps you lose excess weight, relieves high blood pressure and lowers LDL, bad cholesterol. 8. Take fish oil supplements. If you don't like fish or don't have access to fish, you can simply take fish oil supplements to help get omega-3 fats. Look for fish oils that contain EPA and DHA oils. 9. Maintain a healthy weight. The changes to your diet and physical activity will go a long way towards bringing you down to a healthy weight. You can set an actual goal for your weight using the body mass index (BMI), which uses your weight and height to estimate your body fat percentage.